Welcome back to Smart Education. This is Anjali here. Today we are going to practice Quadratic Equation Practice Set 2.5, remaining question of 10th standard. Fifth question of Practice Set 2.5. It is given sum of the roots of a quadratic equation is double their product. Okay, double their product. Find k if equation is x square minus 4kx plus k plus 3 equal to 0. In this we have to find the value of k. So we'll start with it. So I'm writing the equation down here. X square minus 4kx plus 3k plus 3 equal to 0. Okay. First we have to compare this equation. So we are comparing with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Here a value is what? 1. B value is 4k minus 4k and c value is, it's not 3, it's k plus 3. K plus 3. Okay, now we have to include this in alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta is what? Minus b upon a. Minus b upon a. Our b is what? Already we are having minus here. Minus inside minus 4k. A value is 1. So our answer is what? This minus minus will become plus and answer will be 4k. So our alpha plus beta is equal to 4k. Now here again the another alpha multiplied by beta is c upon a. So our c is what? K plus 3. K plus 3 and a is what? 1. Got it? Now here therefore alpha beta is equal to k plus 3. Okay. Now this we have to include in formula according to given condition. Alpha plus beta equal to 2 alpha into beta. So here alpha plus beta we got 4k. This is 2 alpha into beta, that is our k plus 3. Now here 4k equal to 2 into k is 2k plus 2 3s are 6. Now this k will come one side. So 4k minus 2k equal to 6. We'll get minus 4 minus 2 is 2k equal to 6. Therefore k is equal to 6 upon 2. We'll get k value as 3. K value is what? 3. I hope you understood. Now we are going to solve question number 6. Now question number 6 is given alpha beta are roots of y square minus 2y minus 7 equal to 0. The equation is given. So find alpha square plus beta square and alpha cube plus beta cube. So here we are going to apply the formula of a square plus b square, a cube plus b cube formula we are going to use. So first I will show you how to write. First we'll write the equation y square minus 2y minus 7 equal to 0. Now we have to compare this, comparing with ay square plus by plus c equal to 0. Why? Because it is the value of y is given, that's why I am writing here y. Now a is what? 1, b is -2, c is -7. Now alpha plus beta equal to minus b upon a. So here already minus is there, again minus I will put -2 upon a is what? 1. Okay. Now here alpha plus beta value will be 2. Minus minus plus, there is no need to write 1. Again here alpha into beta is c upon a. C value is given -7, a is what? 1. So therefore alpha beta is -7. Now here I am writing the formula alpha plus beta square is equal to, just like a plus b square, alpha square plus 2 alpha and beta plus beta square. Got it? Now here the whole this one I will write left side alpha square plus 2 alpha beta plus beta square is equal to alpha plus beta square. Now here as you can see, if this 2 thing will come, this 2 thing will take first here, alpha square plus beta square equal to, this will take next alpha plus beta square, and now we are going to take this one here, minus will come because it come right side now, minus 2 alpha and beta. I hope you are getting me. Now here you can see alpha plus beta square we got 2 here, so we are writing here 2 square minus alpha into beta we got -7. So after 2 -7 I am going to write. Now here 2 square is what? 4, minus minus plus 7 2s are 14. Okay. Now here we got answer 18. So therefore alpha square plus beta square is equal to 18. Alpha sum is what? Alpha cube plus beta cube. For this we are going to apply the formula of a plus b cube, that is a cube plus 3a square b plus 3a b square plus b cube. Again then a cube plus 3ab inside a plus b plus b cube. Same thing we will write in this form. So I am writing alpha plus beta cube equal to alpha cube plus 3 alpha and beta inside alpha plus beta cube. This whole thing we have to write in left side, alpha cube plus 3 alpha beta alpha plus beta cube is equal to alpha plus beta cube. Okay. Now here as you can see we have some common thing which we have to prove. Like I said, a cube plus b cube we have to prove. So here we are having this thing which we are going to write first. Okay, so I am writing here alpha cube plus beta cube. Okay, after writing this, we'll write equal to this one, equal to alpha plus beta cube, and this whole thing we will write here with changing sign because it came right side, so minus 3 alpha beta, alpha plus beta. I hope you got it. First we have written this 2 here, then we have written this, the second step. In the third step we have taken here this one here. This is our first step, second, and this is third step. I hope you are getting. Now after this we have to include the value of alpha plus beta cube, that is 2 cube minus again 3 alpha plus beta is what, minus 7 we got. Alpha plus beta we have 2. Now here cube of 2 is 8. This minus minus plus sign will come. 3 sevens are 27. Sorry, 21. 21 twos are 42. Our answer is 50. So therefore we got alpha cube plus beta cube value 50. Now question number 7 we are going to solve. Now question number 7 is given the roots of each of the following quadratic equations are real and equal. So find the equation they have given. So we have to find the root of it. So first we have to write the equation we have already written, 3y square plus ky plus 12 is equal to 0. First we have to compare this. So comparing with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Okay, a value is 3, b value is k, and c value is 12. So we'll write b square minus 4ac. So b value is what, k square minus 4, a is 3 and c is 12. Now here we'll get k square minus 4 3s are 12, 12 12s are 144. Okay, but delta is not equal to 0, so therefore k square minus 144 is equal to 0. So we'll go further. K square minus 12 square is nothing but 144 equal to 0. Now here we can write k plus 12 equal to, so we will write in this form, k plus 12, and just like a square minus b square, k plus 12 and k minus 12 equal to 0. And here we can write k plus 12 equal to 0 or k minus 12 equal to 0. K value is what? If plus is there, it will become minus 12, or k value is plus 12. Got it? I hope you understood. We'll go for second sum. Second sum, that is kx in bracket x minus 2 plus 6 is equal to 0. So I'll write kx square minus 2kx, get multiply, then plus 6 is equal to 0. Now it came in standard form, so we are going to write comparing with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Here value of a is what? K, b is minus 2k, and c is 6. So therefore b square minus 4ac. So b square is given minus 2k square minus 4. A value is k and c is 6. Minus minus plus, so 4k square. Again minus 4 6 are 24k. Got it? Now next step is what? Therefore, but delta is not equal to 0. This is very important. So k square minus 24k is equal to 0. I'll expand this. 4k square, it is given 24, right? So we are having 4k square. We'll take 1k inside the bracket. 4k, k minus 4 6 are 24, so 6 inside equal to 0. Like this we'll take. Now here we can write 4k is equal to 0 or k minus 6 is equal to 0. I'm writing here, therefore 4k equal to 0 we have written and k minus 6 is equal to 0 we have written. Now here k value is what? 0, or here k value is what? 6. Okay. So but k is not equal to 0, that's why k is 6. I hope you are getting. Here k is not equal to 0. So k value is what? K value is 6. I hope you are understanding. I hope you understood. Please follow the step. It's a very easy practice set. Like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.